Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your XPs faster and grow a garden. So I was just garden level 2 just like a few seconds ago, but now I'm garden level 7. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to open your garden guide and select explore, and then here if you see there's common till prismatic achievements. If you claim the ones that are if you do the ones that are prismatic, you'll get more XPs in completing them. Sorry. And as you can see here, I've done, like, for instance, harvest 30 disco crops. I got like 1,000 XPs from that instead of just doing the so I did, hold on, let's go back. Divine achievements, I got 700, I think, XPs from that. I didn't really count it correctly. Then prismatic maybe got 1,400 XP, so like double it. So if you want like faster XPs, you are going to want to try to do the achievements that are prismatic, divine, and whatnot. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.